We got a new contest. Is it a new segment called Sounds of Pain?
Sounds of Pain.
Hot new bit. Thank you, Seton, with the production. Hot new bit, Dan. Sounds of Pain. This week, and it'll come up every week.
Yeah.
Sounds of Pain this week is courtesy of WJR 760 in Detroit.
Okay.
Sounds of Pain.
Sounds of Pain.
Sounds of Pain.
Here they are.
Lions from the Bears 16, down 4, 11 seconds to go. Matthews going to work out of the gun. Bears have 3 men back on that goal line. Stafford's got it. 3-man rush for Chicago. Stafford loads and throws. Yes! Caught! No, he dropped it! No! DeAndre Swift dropped it. It was a touchdown in his hands.
Oh, my gosh.
Oh, no!
Sounds of Pain.
Sounds of Pain.
Sounds of Pain. I'm going to go 8 on the pain scale.
Oh, the painometer?
Yeah, the painometer, yes. Oh, no.
He's got an O!